Hey, welcome to another video about dogs. In this video, I'm going to share more about the price. If you haven't watched my last video, make sure you do. And if you're not following my socials, or do subscribe to the channel because I'm going to bring you an update. We're going to have a claim happening anytime today, 16th August today. They said it's going to happen based on their official Telegram post. I don't know exact what time. The time wasn't mentioned. Okay, so the point of this video is I'm going to give you effects. We're going to do some math. And we're going to see some previous product that recently launched and get rough idea how much the coins good value. Because I'll tell you one thing for sure, I've seen a lot of comments, people created 10, 15, 20, 30 accounts to claim more and more free airdrop. Okay, that number you see are not realistic because there's 53 million that joined the boat comparing to 15 million in the Telegram. So even that is big ask. Okay, that's not all realistic, and a lot of people are just there freebies willing to dump it and they have to pay gas fee, so not everyone is gonna claim it. That's one thing. And second thing is, I give you an example of Pixel Wars, right? Pixel Wars, other than just the example, let me just show you how many members they had, and it lasted event for a lot longer than that. Okay, the tab game had, it's a game, right? Meme coin and a game is two different things. Game does require some effort and development going into it. Meme coins, straightforward meme coin, it doesn't need much of effort. Okay, it does have a support, yes, but the thing is, it's coming only on two exchanges. The supply is not spread out as much as Nocoin is at this stage. Okay, if they, for example, if it comes out of launch Dogecoin and then they announce they're gonna do a Binance launch, we might see a spike up. I mean, from a Binance stuff. So Pixelworks had in the new channel 10 million, and the dogs got 15 million. Remember, airdrop, a lot more people joined airdrop because it took 1 second, and there was curiosity of, okay, how is my account, this and that. That's one thing. They do not have a lot of investors lying around it. Okay, that's another thing, and we'll talk about where Pixelverse is sitting right now. Sitting at 8 million market cap. All right, 8 million, and a lot of fun happened around Pixelverse because so many people are disappointed. With thousands of followers, I spoke to a YouTuber. He had 25,000 referrals. 25,000 referrals in Pixelverse. He got 0 coins because he had to play on all that. So yeah, that's one thing. They had 18 million in the game itself, in the tap game. So they have 10 million market cap only. Yes, first they had spike, that form of spike happens, and because slowly gradually when sellers start selling, dumping it, as they start claiming and start dumping it, and then it keeps on going down. That's one example. 10 million market cap. Nocoin, very good, very stable because it's listed in so many exchanges, even in Binance. Okay, it's 1.1 billion market cap. That's very positive. After it got listed, it did spike and it came down. Okay, exact same pattern, and then it's holding, but eventually it's gonna break out because what is happening right now is creating high and then another lower high is struggling to break out to create a new high. It's keep having a bounce from this level, 0.01 area, but it's struggling to have a bigger bounce, and eventually it's gonna drop down, break down, and keep going down. This is what I've seen a lot of time happening. But Nocoin, what they did is you can buy advertising in their app for around 10. Last time I checked, it was 12,000 Nocoin. I think it's around 12. It was around $13,000. So the thing is, they are making use of their token, so that's why there is some demand of it. Okay, it is holding well, 1.1 billion. Nocoin was first one. You can't compare Nocoin with dogs and everything. It's a meme coin. Dogs and meme coin, and Nocoin was just stepped up game and all that. You need to focus on the recent example. Pixelverse is down 53% this month. Okay, I'm just checking a monthly so I can show you the bigger graph. If you see 7 days, it's keep on dipping. All right, people lose hope. They start buying it. 9 million. Okay, 1 billion. They played very well. Nocoin team is amazing, very smart. Okay, they listed on Binance. Avacoin recently launched, only 1.5 million market cap, and since launch keeps on dipping. And Avacoin, I've heard that they charge $150,000 for advertising on their app. They made a lot of money. They have a lot of money, right? But the point is, they still did not do well. 1.5 million is nothing when it comes to market cap. Looking at this example, let's say we have dogs launching at right now. Dogs yesterday, if you watched this video, BitCat was showing the price here. Now it's pending adjustment. I don't know why, how. When it comes to KuCoin, the price is slightly higher, 0.0013. Based on this, let's see how much the market cap will be. Alright, we have 550 billion market cap, 0.00138 last traded. It says 760 million. That's a big ask. Okay, we have seen some examples. That's a big ask. Very few coins, meme coins, that do get proper adoption, they get to be at 1 billion market cap. It's not easy. There will be a lot of cycles before it reaches there. So more realistic approach, in my opinion, is 50 million, 55 million is 0.001. Okay, if you want to say, let's say you want, I mean, we get this, that's 100 million. It's listing only to exchanges. So I said in yesterday video that it could maybe jump if there's enough buyers, because the market condition is bad right now. The market is dipping, alts are not doing well. The moral in the market right now, there's no FOMO, there's no greed. So it's less likely it's gonna be at 1 billion or 500 million market cap. More realistic, if it's not listing in Binance or any other big exchanges, it will be 100 to 300 million market cap. So you can expect the price to be 0.001 to 0.003. This is very realistic approach in my opinion. But yeah, if we get lucky, we might see it 0.005. If we get super lucky, this is what I can expect. No more than that. If that happens, well and good, just sell it, take your profit, because there's no future development. I mean, there's not much. It's a meme coin. It was made for the fun to check how old is your dog's meme account. And one more thing, you have to pay gas fees. Tone gas fees, what I've seen is around 0.3 tone, 0.2 tone, depending if they made any changes. Last time when I tried to do a transfer, it was costing me that. Because if you want to sell in DEX, you have to pay twice. So up to 0.5 ton, already you're paying fee there. And a lot of people try to gamble to claim before and try to sell quickly, so they can sell quickly. Or so many going to wait for the listing to happen, see if it's worth spending that few dollars to claim and sell it. A lot of people might not even claim it. So yeah, this is what a lot of airdrops are doing now, because they want less people to claim it, so the value will start at high point. So this is the reason I think if we see a 500 million spike at the start, as you've seen, Nocoin had spike, Pixelverse had spike. I mean, Avacoin did not have as much spike, but yeah, maybe it was listed late on CoinMarketCap. On the DEX it was listed before. Sometimes that happens, that can cause price difference as well. That's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I want to keep it short, give you an example. If you're not following my socials, the link tree is gonna be in the description. Just click on that and you'll see all my socials. Just follow it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just let me know in comment section, what do you think? Again, does it make sense that we can see a price, even 100 million will be a good ask. 100 million means 0.00 1 second, let's do the math. 01, that's 55. Alright, this will be the 100 million, 0.002. I've shared in last video, I have 17,000 tokens. So let's see how much I will get. I'll get $3. I mean, it's not worth it. I wouldn't claim it. I'll just wait, because I wanna see, because this is what the gas fee is gonna cost me. So I'm not gonna bother doing, but I will share with you guys how to claim it. If I make a video, I will claim it. I'll pay gas fees just for you guys, so I can show you how things work. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Do subscribe. If we get the claim today, I'll try to make a video today. If not, I'll make it tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.